Dear student, welcome back to my channel. Here is the discussion about the definition of definite integral as a limit of sum. See, first define here. Definition here, let f of x be a single valued continuous function defined on in the finite interval, that is a to b, defined in the finite intervals. Okay, defined on the finite interval, that is a to b, close interval. Now divide the interval in the close interval a to b into n equal parts, that is subinterval. Each of length h by the points, okay, by the points a plus h, a plus twice h, a plus h, a plus twice h, dot dot, okay, a plus n minus 1 into h, comma, a plus nh, where b is equal to a plus nh. Here b is called upper or superior limit of the integral, and a is called the lower limit and inferior integral, inferior limit, and a is called lower or inferior limit of the integral. Okay, see the drawing here. This is y-axis and this is x-axis, a curve, that is y equal to f of x, and this is here x equal to a, and this is here x equal to b. This a to b are divide n equal part, okay, n equal part, each length be here h, okay. So see, like that. each length is here h. This gap is all are h equal part. There are the n subinterval. Okay, there is the n subinterval. Now see here. Therefore, there is a gap. This is here a to b. Their difference is b minus a, and this length is divided by n part, and this each length be here h. This length is here h. This value is h. That is b minus a by n. So therefore we can write here b equal to a plus nh. Okay. Therefore the limit h tends to 0. Now I want to find from the definition this closed interval from a to b. This region is called the area. So how can we will find the area? See, and this is look like a rectangle. As this is a very small gap, so let us assume this is a rectangle. Now you know the area of a rectangle be length and breadth. So that's why this is a limit h tends to 0, and this is h for this rectangle. The base here is h, height is here at the point x, then this height is f of a, this height is f of a, function is y equal to f of x. So if we put a, then height be here f of a, so then multiply by f of a. So this is the length and breadth, breadth and height. So this is the area of this rectangle. For the second rectangle, the base is h and height is c. This is h and this is a. So the value of x here is a plus h. Then the height of this length is here f of a plus h. Okay, same as for the second, h into f of a plus twice h. So similarly, after the expense, I want to say for the ending point, here is the h times of height, here is a plus n minus 1 into h. Okay. Now see, it can be expressed as a summation, that is h tends to 0. That is h tends to 0. This is summation h times of f of a plus rh, where the value of lower limit of r is here 0 to n minus 1. So if we put here 0, then we got this. If we put here 1, then we got this. If we put up to n minus 1, so this is here n minus 1, then we got this. So this is the area of this region. Okay. It's called the definite integral of f of x, and it's also be notation symbolically, that is a to b f of x and dx. Okay. Now we have to find, with the help of method of sum, for this problem, that is 1 to 2, 2x plus 3x squared dx, from definition as a limit of sum. For that, this is equal to, the formula is here h tends to 0. For dx we can write here h, and now here is summation f of lower limit plus rh. The function is here f of x is equal to twice x plus 3x square. So therefore f of 1 plus rh 2 times of 1 plus RH, and this is 3 times of 1 plus RH whole square. This is 2 into 2 RH, this is 3 and 6 RH, and 3 R square H square, and this is equal to 2 plus 3, this is 5, and 2 RH and 6 RH, this is 8 RH, and this is a 3 R square H square. Okay, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0 summation r equal to 1 to n. Okay, r equal to 1 to n. So the value of this figure is here, r equal to 1 to n. This is 5 plus 8rh plus 3r square h square. Now this is our limit h tends to 0. Summation 5 we can write here 5n. Okay, and this is our 8h, and summation r is, in place of r we can put here 1 2 3, as this is a summation, so this is the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot to n. So the value of that is here n into n plus 1 by 2 and plus 3 h square. And now see, here is a sum of r square, and that is the sum of the 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square dot to n, and it is, the value here is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. Okay, now multiply by h. This is h tends to 0. This is h tends to 0. 5nh, and this is here 4h square. So you now multiply by h square and multiply by each of the factor, like nh plus h, and 3 by 6, this is 1 by 2 h cube, and each of the factor h multiplied by the 3 factor n plus 1 and 2n plus 1, then we get here nh 2nh plus h and 2nh plus h. Now the value of nh here, this is upper limit minus lower limit, this is 2 minus 1, so that is 1. Okay, put here nh equal to 1. So this is here 5 plus 4 nh 1, rh is 0, nh is 1, rh is 0, so this is half, okay, into 2. So this is equal to 9 and this is 10. Okay, now check the calculation, it is wrong or right. For the simple integration, we can write here 2x square by 2, 3x cube by 3, and this is here 1 to 2. 3 3 are cancel, 2 2 are cancel. See, this is 4 and this is 8 minus 1, this is 2 here. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. Is right. Okay, I think all you have better understood. See the video carefully.